Hey guys, my name is Marlo. Welcome to my channel. My channel is a DIY channel, and today we're going to talk about under the sink, pull out drawers and shelves for better organization, guys. That's right, it's springtime and it's time to get organized. So don't you hate it when you're trying to look for something and you just can't find it? Something so simple like Band-Aids or maybe some hand lotion that you just can't find, or you know it's underneath your sink, but you know you got to get down on your hands and knees just to get that thing, right? So that's why I thought about this video, just to give you a better organization idea and to show you how easy it is to install with just a drill. And that's only how fast you need to go just to install this pull-out drawer under your sink, guys. Another thing, I just hate it when I go to the store. Maybe it may be like mouthwash or deodorant or maybe some shavers for my face, and I go to store it just to find it already underneath my sink, right? I'm just like you guys. I get unorganized sometimes and my sink becomes a hot mess. So that's why I wanted to create this video. So let's get started. And just to give you an idea, you want something that's very sturdy. I have an upper basket and a bottom basket, and I have the perfect depth for you. So I'll leave it down below. And also you want something that has good, nice glides to it, right? And I did the trial and error for you to find something that's inexpensive and easy to install. This comes with a template that you can lay underneath your sink, and you just do a little pilot hole and you just go very slow, just like that, for these screws. And that's it, guys. So I'll show you what it looks like and how easy it is and how better the sink underneath is more organized. So let's go. All right, guys, listen up, guys. So this is so easy, guys. So this is the template. And just before we get underneath the sink, I just want you to see the layout on how easy it is to install. So here's the template, right? And all you're gonna do is drill 4 pilot holes, and it's marked for you easily. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the slides here, and all I did was put the brackets on with this small little screwdriver, as you can see here. So this is the left bracket, as you can see, and there's just 4 brackets you got to put on the slide. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then here's the 2-tier basket here, and all you got to do is put this frame onto the second tier here, and it's very simple. As you can see, I have the 2 screws here, and then I'm going to put the second screws up here so you can see from the inside. So let me get my little screwdriver so I can show you. So you're just going to slip in your little screw right here. I have the screw right there. Oops, I dropped it. Right, so I got the screw. Just go put it in with my thumb. And then I got my little screwdriver right here. And they go in from the inside, guys. And look at, that's how easy it is, guys. So once you put your little screws up there, and then when we go underneath the sink, all we're gonna do is slip this and these little brackets here. This little bracket. So we're gonna lay this right on the bracket and it's gonna lock in. That's all you do, guys. So we're gonna get under the sink. I'm gonna show you what to do so you're confident. Let's go. All right, guys, so here's the template here under the cabinet. So what you wanna do is center it to the opening, of course, because you want those guides to come out easily. So we're doing 4 pilot holes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And make sure you put tape down, just maybe 2 pieces, so that keeps your template nice down and tight, so it's not moving when you do those pilot holes. So let's get started, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna drill the pilot hole, right? So how deep do you go? So this is the screw that's gonna go in, right? So as you can see that this drill bit is just as thick as the screw, or you can have a drill bit that's maybe a little bit thinner than that screw. And you don't have to go that deep, guys. Maybe half of that screw, and you don't have to apply too much pressure into that wood because it's plywood, it's real flimsy. So you don't even have to go very fast. So let's get started, guys. All right, guys, so this template's taped down on each 4 corners with Scotch tape. And as you can see, I'm gonna do my pilot hole. It's right in the center there. Nothing crazy. You don't even have to apply too much pressure, guys. Oops, let me get it right on there. Right in the center there. So I'm just gonna go yay deep, nothing too crazy. And I barely had to push, nothing. And then I'm gonna go in reverse. And that's it. There's that. All right, guys, so my pilot holes are done. You're just gonna take your template just like that. And I have my little holes, and let's get started. Let's throw it in. All right, guys, so the next step is we're gonna put in our guides and our slides, and we're just gonna line up the hole right with the pilot hole. I have my screw, and what's important to know is that you're not going to use your drill no longer. You're just gonna hand tighten with the screwdriver. With like this, you're not going to use your drill, guys, because once you use your drill, you don't wanna, just wanna make sure that that screw grafts onto the wood. If you use a drill, it may go too fast and kind of strip the wood, right? So it's that simple, guys. So you're gonna line up the other hole right there. What's that other hole right there? And just use your screwdriver, guys. You do not need to use a drill. It's that easy, guys. So I'm going to do the other rail. And they were smart when they built this, because if you did strip a hole by accident, there's more slots, right, to where you can put more of these screws, right? So let's say you messed up this hole by accident. As backup, there's other screws you can put in if you want to. For an example, here or here, but this is not needed because we got a nice grasp. All right, guys, so I went ahead and installed both guides and slides. So you're just gonna pull them out just like this. All right, and you're gonna connect your 2 baskets onto the guides slides. And there's these little slots right here on each side. There's 4 of them. So you just pick it up just like this. Right, slip it right in there in that groove. And you're just gonna snap it down. Just right in there just like that. And that's it. All right, guys, it was an easy install. I have both of them installed easily. And as you can see, it avoids the plumbing there. So if you have 2 doors like myself, you should get 2 of these. If you just have a 1-door sink, you can get 1 of these. And I chose the one with the right dimension. What's cool about this too, you can open it up with your foot if you need to. Everything is accessible. I have my first aid kit. I've got my you know, to clean the mirrors, my mouthwash, lotions, my tooth flosser. I even have my Epsom salts, some cleaners back there, peroxide. If you have like little cologne bottles, you can place some of these little acrylic organizers here. I have colognes, eye wash. I have so much more room, guys. I don't even know what I'm gonna put over here. But I'm sure, oh, I can put towels. But there you guys go. Oh, look at all that room, guys. So if you guys like videos like this, continue to follow my channel. I do a lot of DIY videos. Thank you for joining me, guys.